Let's learn the colors. Gray color, sky blue color, red color, brown color, violet color, orange color, blue color, green color, dark green color, black color, yellow color. Let's learn to write the alphabets from A to Z. Blue color. A. Orange color. B. B for ball. Violet color. C for cat. Black color. D. D for dog. Green color. E. E for elephant. Brown color. F. F for fish. Orange color. G. G is for grapes. Gray color. H. H is for horse. Yellow color. I. I is for ice cream. Red color. J. J is for juice. Blue color. K. K is for kite. Green color. L. L is for lemon. Dark green color. M. M is for mango. Yellow color. N. N is for nest. Dark gray color. O. O is for orange. Pink color. P. P for parrot. Dark blue color. Q. Q for queen. Brown color. R. R for rabbit. Red color. S. S is for sun. Violet color. T. T for tiger. Blue color. U. U for umbrella. Orange red color. V. V for van. Gray color. W. W is for watch. Green color. X. X is for xylophone. Pink color. Y. Y for yak. Black color. Z. Z is for zebra.
Amazing!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.